So this just arrived from JOCK. We actually got a great deal when they were having a sale at the Overland Expo in SoCal. I just finished unboxing it. Man, their package is really tough. Comes with stickers. Here's the package covering, and here is our all-new aluminum trail arm from JOCK. This is nice. Just finished unwrapping it, and wow, this is nice. And it's lightweight and strong too. And it comes with the hardware too, and the bolts. Is our old trail arm here. It actually did a great job, but we just want to change it to make it look better. This piece here is going to go right there. We are now going to swap our JOCK trail arm, and we already got our blanket, the light, and the tools here. We are now using a number 15 and a 14, and we are just unscrewing that bolt up there. All right, so we are now unscrewing the bolt that connects the trail arm to the bar. We actually kind of need a special tool for that because we were turning and nothing was happening. So we use a 19 and this another 18, and then we use this to unscrew the sway bar link. All right, so there you go right there.
It looks like it's getting loose.
It's good. It's getting loose already. Doesn't want to focus, but there, it's focusing. Wow, we haven't done this since 2023.
Yeah, and just be careful with your brake lines too.
So we just finished removing the bolt and what's this? The nut that holds the sway bar link. Now all we have to do now is remove the middle part, and that's it. This screw here was very hard to remove. We had to spray it with WD-40, and we had to use two kinds of hammers. First we used that, and then we used this mallet, and then finally it unscrewed. Ooh, that was actually kind of tough. At first we thought we had the wrong tool, but we didn't. So we're using the small hammer, and there you go. It's popping out already. There you go. It's halfway out already. Up 70%, and
oh,
there you go.
Out.
It's out. Here is our old trail arm. Wow, it went through a lot of places here. So we're now going to put the new one, and we're hoping that the new one will fit. So here is our all-new aluminum JOCK trail arm, and we are hoping that this will fit. So before installing that, we just realized, wow, the weight difference. That is so lighter than this, and about the same strength too. So you got lighter and same strength. So we are finding the groove. Almost there. All right, so we're now working on the passenger side. We are now loosening it up.
It's just like,
it's slippery because we sprayed WD-40 on it. She finished removing the bolts.
First bolt is out. You still have one nut and then this one to remove.
Okay. We are now removing the screw from the sway bar link. And we need that kind of tool to remove it. And there you go. She got it.
Just need to be careful for the CV boot.
Oh, the CV boot? Yeah. Just be careful with the CV boot, guys, because it's really close. So we got the, what's this, bolt out? And then we're now going to remove the trail arm. Oh, wait, we still have to remove the that piece right there. Oops. But we already removed the bolt, so that one's next. So after hammering this piece down, we're now removing it. So we are now, oh yeah, I think we need a hammer. Yeah. Sorry, we need to hammer this out. There you go.
I need to hold it.
Yeah. All right, it's halfway out.
Yeah. There.
So here is the tricky part. Trying to fit the sway bar link to the new trail arm. All right, so it fits. It actually took us a while to waggle it, and we're now putting the bolts back in.
And we're using the new bolts.
Yeah, the new bolts now.
It came with the kit.
Yep, so we're just hand tightening it. So I just finished wiping down or cleaning the screws, and I am now going to install it back there. We couldn't use the one that came with the hardware because this screw here was actually bigger than the one that will fit the Bronco. So we had to use the old screw back. I just finished tightening the screw here in the middle. So that one is tight, and now I'm going to tighten this screws right here, and the last one would be the sway bar link screw, and after that, that's it. It's actually the same length as the for the Bronco one. I got a 14 and a 15, and I'm now tightening this down with the new bolts and screw. I'm now here on the passenger side, and I'm tightening this part down, and damn, that was fast. There.
So we're now tightening the nut in the, what's this? In the sway bar link.
There you go, and I found the
There.
It's tight. So I just finished screwing down the bolt and screw in the sway bar link. There, everything is all nice and tight.
We are going to test drive this. All right, so far so good.
Not hitting the CV axle.
No. Let's see. No, you're good.
What about the other side?
You are good as well. So how's the drive?
So far, so it's the same. Like as if nothing changed. But this is just like regular side street driving though. So I guess the only way to find out is if you take it on the trails.
Yeah.
But hey, so far so good. So after driving it in the streets, let's see if I could focus in. There you go. It did great. That's the driver's side. And here is the passenger side. And the great part is it's not too close to the CV axles or to the suspension or to the shocks. It's actually the same length Bronco one. So there, all done. So we're here at Terrace by Mix Place, and Terrace by Mix, and this is how it looks like. And I got me their Loco Moco, and she got the Filipino breakfast with chicharron, and we got some calamansi juice. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. Okay, let's do this. All right, so we are now loosening it up.
It's just like,
It's slippery because we sprayed WD-40 on it.